Do you want to become a successful affiliate marketer? Then you have to understand the fundamental laws of marketing. Marketing is a confusing business because we do not market any products, we only sell them. Sounds confusing, right? But let me explain it to you. What we really market are needs, dreams, and goals. Another definition would be life improvements. Then we offer a product, like some kind of tool to reach them. Watch, for example, some toothbrush commercials on YouTube, and you will see they don't focus on the toothbrush. You'll see more healthy teeth in these commercials than the product itself, because they want to sell you healthy teeth, and finally, they offer you a tool to reach this goal. This also results in another effect. Think about how much you would pay for healthy teeth. Certainly, more than you would be paying for a toothbrush, right? So after all, this type of marketing also influences the customer's price perception. Okay, but before I continue, let me show you what this means. Here you can see the notifications which I receive for every sale. You can see 16 euros, 25 euros, 9 euros, 37 euros, and so on. That's only the commissions I earned today. Let's see how many commissions I already have in total. I started this new account 3 months ago to test in an isolated environment how effective a combination of my favorite advertising methods will be. After these 3 months, I'm already at around 13,500 euros. The final commissions of this value minus taxes are around 4,500 euros. So that's the money which gets finally paid out to my bank account. At this point, I should mention that I can also receive these payouts in dollars. Now I will switch to months to confirm that this is a new account and to show that this amount was earned within a short period of time. As you can see, the previous months are at 0. I earned all these commissions without paid advertising by posting on social media networks for free. I will now show some payout transfers from my main affiliate account to my bank account to prove that this money also gets paid out. This statement is from May 16th. Here we can see that I received 4,103 euros to my bank account. The next one is from June. On the 14th, I received a payout of 2,468 euros to my bank account. And on the 29th, another 2,133 euros. The next bank statement is from July. I got 2,628 euros on the 14th. And later in the month, on the 28th, I received another 2,715 euros. The truth is, many affiliate gurus out there has no idea about the psychological aspect of marketing. But only those who know and use these psychological laws will become successful. Affiliate marketing gets often associated with passive income, but this is only half the truth. This business gets only passive when you start to promote products via paid ads. Most people like me in the early days enter this business with empty pockets, so they don't have any money to advertise via paid ads. I started by promoting digital products for free via social media platforms, and today I realized that my success in the field of paid advertising is based on the fact that I had started at this bottom. Maybe you know the quote, "To get to the top, you have to start from the bottom." After my long journey in the field of affiliate marketing, I know what this means, because if you want to start a successful business, you have to build it from the ground. These days, many new affiliates start directly with paid advertisements because they think it will give them something like a rocket start. The sad reality is that many of them will only burn their money, because tell me, how can someone sell a product with paid advertising if they don't even know the fundamentals of successful marketing? Placing advertisements often looks so easy. One click here, one click there. Then the campaign is online and reaches thousands of people. It looks only easy because the important work remains hidden. I have learned how to advertise products the right way, because I had to focus on the quality of my free advertising methods to generate more sales. When it comes to free social media advertising, then quality, not quantity, is the key to success. Developing these methods from scratch required a lot of my time and commitment. Finally, after I had generated constant sales with free social media marketing and knew what matters when it comes to marketing, I started to reinvest these profits into advertising campaigns to create something that comes very close to the idea of passive income. It took me a long time to get to this point where I'm today, and I have to admit that I made a lot of mistakes. Therefore, today I would like to give everyone who wants to deal with the topic of affiliate marketing a step-by-step guide to success. The affiliate marketing methods, which I will show you, are risk-free because we will start with free social media marketing. So even when it comes to starting with the topic of paid advertising, we will only reinvest some of the profits which we had already made via free marketing methods. In other words, I will teach you how to scale this whole affiliate business up from zero. In the first step, I will show you all my tricks and methods to promote digital products for free via social media networks. In this step, you will generate your first earnings and learn the psychological principles of successful advertising. In the second step, we start to reinvest this free earned money according to a fixed mathematical distribution to enter the level of professional paid advertising. Because finally, we want to build a highly scalable affiliate business that comes as close as possible to the idea of passive income. So long story short, is affiliate marketing a passive income system? The answer is, it can become very close to the idea of passive income, and I want to offer you the fastest and easiest way to reach this goal. I will show you everything step by step, and you just have to copy what I'm doing. What you need is only a computer or laptop and access to the internet. There is one thing I can promise you. It is not hard to earn money by promoting digital products. It's like everything in life, you just have to understand how it works and how to implement it. So in my video instruction, I show you step by step what you have to do. You just have to copy my actions on your own screen. Everyone can do that. There are no advanced computer skills required. I don't want to be any of these get-rich-quick guys who you can find all over the internet. These guys often earn their money only by selling bullshit. So please don't judge me too quickly. I just want to share my knowledge about affiliate marketing with you because I would have been happy if someone had offered me all this knowledge in the past. I will also offer you a clear step-by-step guide to get the same results like me. I publish all this for one reason. I want to make it possible for everyone to become a successful affiliate marketer. So I take my free time to record this video here, building this website, hosting it, and creating all the video instructions to show you step by step what you have to do. This cost me a lot of my time and nerves, but I don't want now 500 or 1,000 in return. I know what working 9 to 5 means, how it is to feel trapped in a job that gives you no pleasure and no perspective. And unfortunately, I also found out what bullying at work means, so I thank God that I was able to leave all this behind me and want to help everyone out there who is in a similar situation. Finally, I was able to realize my own dream. So now it's time for me to give something back. A famous quote from Jesse Owens was, "You only need one chance to succeed." And now I ask you, do you want to change your life? Yes or no? If yes, then here it is. I offer you the chance to get the same results like me.